Welcome to the Crypto Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is August 5th, 2024. Links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. First up, the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC, has issued a subpoena to Hit Network, the media company that once featured Ben "BitBoy" Armstrong. This is part of a fraud investigation involving 15 tokens, including the Ben meme coin. The subpoena, dated July 16th, seeks information on trading activities and digital wallets linked to these tokens, which Armstrong had promoted in various YouTube videos before Hit Network was formed in March 2021. Although Armstrong isn't directly mentioned, this is part of a broader probe into potential fraudulent activities in the crypto space. Armstrong was removed from Hit Network in August 2023 amid allegations of substance abuse and has since been embroiled in legal disputes over his exit and a disputed Lamborghini. He claims his former colleagues took control of the BitBoy crypto brand and has expressed satisfaction with the CFTC's investigation, suggesting it might reveal wrongdoing by others in the industry. The Ben token, which Armstrong briefly joined the core team of, has been a contentious issue, leading to his departure from Hit Network. Armstrong has a history of promoting underperforming tokens and has admitted to participating in paid promotions of crypto projects, which he claims were unintentional. The CFTC's investigation underscores the ongoing scrutiny of the cryptocurrency market and the activities of influencers like Armstrong, who wield significant influence over retail investors. This situation continues to evolve as the CFTC seeks to uncover the details surrounding the alleged fraudulent activities. Next, Lava Network has announced the launch of its public Mainnet, introducing a new approach to blockchain deployment in the modular era. The initiative includes a market-derived fully diluted valuation, FDV, and a focused airdrop aimed at 70,000 users. The Mainnet is currently live on Uniswap v3 and Arbitrum, emphasizing a decentralized and community-driven launch process. Lava is designed as a Cosmos app chain and a peer-to-peer off-chain protocol, aiming to provide fast and reliable remote procedure calls, RPC, for various blockchains. The project seeks to maximize decentralization, allowing the access layer of blockchain RPC APIs to be owned and governed by the community. Lava supports multiple blockchains and has already begun handling RPC for several networks, including Ethereum, Solana, and others. Additionally, Lava has partnered with Google Cloud to enhance data streaming capabilities for a multi-chain future. The launch will also feature incentive pools funded by partners, totaling over $2 million, to reward Lava restakers and RPC providers. The team emphasizes a rejection of venture capital-first launches, advocating for a more inclusive and open approach to cryptocurrency participation. Initial delegators have staked tokens, resulting in minimal rewards, and users are advised to verify the correct token addresses for interactions. Moving on, a thread by @Masari Crypto discusses the rapid growth at the intersection of artificial intelligence, AI, and cryptocurrency. Numerous projects in this sector are now valued over $1 billion, with $230 million invested in July 2024 alone. The thread outlines key components of AI in crypto, including decentralized compute networks, model coordination platforms, AI tools and services, and applications leveraging AI models. Decentralized AI utilizes GPU networks and model coordination to foster innovation, contrasting with the centralized approaches of major companies like OpenAI and Google DeepMind. AI agents are expected to become more autonomous and specialized, using cryptocurrency for transactions. Platforms such as AI Wayfinder are mentioned as enabling AI agents to perform secure on-chain actions, integrating AI deeper into the blockchain ecosystem. Open-source AI coordination projects like BitAndSaw are highlighted for their role in providing a sandbox for experimentation, using token incentives to encourage collaboration and innovation. The future of decentralized AI is portrayed as promising, with the potential to significantly increase on-chain economic activity. The thread concludes by suggesting that the evolving relationship between AI and crypto could transform technology usage and understanding. For further insights, readers are directed to a full report by Bloomberg. Lastly, Polymarket, a prediction market platform, has experienced significant growth, particularly in the context of the upcoming 2024 US election. Parify Capital, the largest investor in Polymarket, has analyzed on-chain data to understand the factors behind this surge. Year to date, Polymarket has recorded $688 million in trading volume, with weekly active users increasing from approximately 1,400 to over 20,000. Despite the election's influence, only 42% of the nearly 70,000 users began trading in election-related markets, indicating a diverse interest in other topics such as culture and science. In recent weeks, over 70% of daily trading volume has been linked to election markets, but non-election markets have also seen a rise, with a notable spike in trading related to Ethereum ETF approvals. User retention has been strong, with 15% of users from Q1 2023 continuing to trade in subsequent quarters, and newer cohorts showing even higher retention rates. The number of matched trades has increased dramatically, suggesting that user engagement is on the rise, with daily matched trades surpassing 40,000. Interestingly, the platform is seeing a shift towards smaller traders, as power users, those trading over 250,000, have decreased in market share. Parify believes that prediction markets like Polymarket serve as valuable tools for understanding critical events and are optimistic about the platform's future. The data analyzed spans from November 2022 to July 2024, focusing on significant markets related to the upcoming election. That's all for today's episode of the Crypto Daily News. Be sure to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Stay tuned for more updates on the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency, blockchain, and Web3. Until next time, stay informed and stay crypto-savvy.